They crushed these little rocks that grow on the stem.
Remember, fellas? Bang the rocks together. Bang the rocks together.
Bang those rocks together.
Pretty much.
I think what we'll do is I was promised no dishes. I was promised. Guys!
Promised by whom?
My mother.
Yeah, well.
Honest person.
Right. This may come as a surprise to you, but I am not your mother.
I'm so glad. I really am. Words cannot describe it. I'm really glad I am. I'm here so I can get you love as well.
It's not hard enough to smell this. What time of year? Summertime is when your heart is playing.
Yeah,
So
it
it's going to
is.
be stinking hot.
Only afterwards.
Yeah. That's so noisy.
Noise bothers you. Why did you go into agriculture?
I didn't. You just did. I know. Could you do it again? Oh, easily. Do it right now.
Oh, a bit of practice to be churning it out.
It's rolling is Bambi's like frolicking around. Rolls all the credits and everything, and it's lovely. And then credits finally finish, and you're waiting for it to happen. It's so soft, and it goes, yeah.
There's my reference. Yeah, I reckon that's about the same. Second distance, do you reckon? That's nothing for it.
Sounds a bit sandy.
Shall I tell you how it feels?
Sandy?
Mm-hmm.
At least the rock.
Didn't they kick Ronnie if they were good?
Rock.
No.
It's a rock.
Yeah.
Feel it. Honestly, feel it.
Okay, so it has a piquant granite consistency. You do this right.
Just a little bit
The reason why you
carefully.
went for basalt rather than ground? You-
Yeah, the silicates wouldn't be too good, would they? This is why bread making is so ingenious. Well, this is starting to look, it's so easy that it's elementary.
Sedimentary. I'm talking about rocks again now.
Really
Yeah.
fine stuff still left over there? Really fine stuff?
Do you want me to sieve some?
These
I'll
are
have a sieve.
some from the sea.
Well, grains actually.
After the photographic.
Well, no, grab a piece and butter it while he's...
Filming. That way we can prove that people are actually eating it.
Is this it?
Yeah.
It's nice.
Describe it as snow. You expect it to be somewhat
Squeaky goodness.